Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. Today we will present to you the group members of anak Nasib. First, we have Muhammad Nabil bin Muhammad Nasib. Second is myself, Muhammad Farish bin Asallehan. And third, we have Muhammad Adam Faiz bin Norhisyam.
I will read the definition of related rates. Related rates, also known as rate of change, is one of the application of differentiation in fundamental theorem of calculus. This topic involves on finding a rate of changing quantity by relating the quantity to another quantity whose rates of changing are known. The rate of change usually with respect to time, or we call it as dt. Extra information for related rate is because of science and engineering often relate quantities to each other. The methods of related rates have broad application in this field. Differentiation with respect to time require application of the chain rule since most of the problem involve several variables.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Nabil bin Muhammad Nasib. I will explain about problem statement. A vase with a circular cross section is shown in figure. Water is flowing into vase. When the depth of the water is h cm, the volume of water V cm³ is given by V equal to 4 pi h open bracket h plus 4 and close the bracket. H greater and equal to 0 and H less and equal to 25. Water flows into vase at a constant rate of 80 pi cm³ per second. Find the rate of change of the depth of the water in centimeter over second, centimeter per second, when h equal to 6.
So, to solve this problem, we have to identify every variable that we can find, such as this is our first variable, but we have to expand it first. So, it will be like this: v equal to 4 pi h square plus 16 pi h. Now we have to differentiate volume with the respect to the h. It will be dv over dh if we differentiate 4 pi h squared, we will get 8 pi h. And now if we differentiate 16 pi h, we will get 16 pi. From the question, we will get the constant rate of 18 pi. So that is our dv over dt. So our dv over dt equal to 80 pi. So now we already identify every variable that we can get from the question. We have to display the chain rule. Our question we need to find the rate of change of the depth of the water in centimeter per second. So it will be dh over dt. So to find dh over dt, we have to multiply dh over dv multiply with dv over dt. We already have dv over dt, but to find dh over dv, we have to convert dv over dh to dh over dv. It will be like this. Our dh over dv will be 1 over 8 pi h plus 60 pi. So now we have to substitute every value that we get. So first, dh over dv, it will be 1 over 8 pi h plus 16 pi, while the dv over dt will be 80 pi. Now, from the equation that we get, we have to factorize our 8 pi h plus 16 pi. So, the factorize will be 8 pi h plus 2. We already got 1 over 8 pi h plus 2 multiplied with 80 pi. So, we can cut out the 8 pi with 80 pi. So, our next equation will be like this. This is our next equation. So, our equation will be dh over dt equal to 1 over h plus 2 multiplied with 10. Or we also can write this as dh over dt equal to 10 over h plus 2. Now, let's look back to our equation. We have to find the rate of change of depth of the water when h equal to 6. So, it will be, we have to change our h value to 6. So, it will be d6 over dt and our h will become 6. So, if we substitute h with 6, we will get 10 over 8, or we also can write it as 1.25 centimeter per second. So now, that's our answer for this question. Thank you.
In conclusion, for this type of question, which is related rates, there's actually have 5 steps to solve the question. The first step is identify the variable. Second step is construct an equation. Third step, apply the chain rule. Fourth step, substitute the known rates of change. And step number 5, solve it. But for our question, we don't use second step, which is construct an equation. First step, we use to solve the problem, we use step number 1, display the variable. Second step, we make a chain rule. Third step, substitute the value. And lastly, solve the equation to get the answer, which is 1.25 centimeter per second.
So, that's all from us. Thank you for watching and listen to our video. Have a nice day. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Oh yeah, don't forget for the reference for our question.